What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of omgfood, where today we're very funny. Who did that? Alexa, did you do that?
I am not programmed to do such things. I am only programmed to listen to every word you say even when you're asleep, as well as reorder any of your past Amazon purchases like 64-count cinnamon Pop-Tarts or extra moist Lubriderm personal lotion.
Tattoos! That's for tattoos! That's for tattoos! Really? Okay. Alexa, if it's not you, then who else could it be?
Maybe you should ask your new friend.
What new friend?
You know, your new friend.
Let's get real here. Let's do this for real.
Oh, him. We cannot play that music on this channel.
This is when the rules stop.
We cannot use that music. We are going to get copyright striked.
I should have taken like a big bong rip before I did this.
We cannot use that music. We are going to get copyright striked from YouTube.
Oh, well, all right.
Thanks for the introduction. I'm assuming you did that, right?
Yes, I did.
Would you like to introduce yourself, or do you just assume that everyone knows you at this point?
Everybody's just trying to figure it out.
Well, I guess everyone just knows you then. Welcome to OMG Food.
Kind of a stupid name.
Okay, so this is a stupid name, but Babish is a great name for a food channel.
Next.
Okay, touchy subject, I get it. So anyway, today, Babby and I got a shipment of Butters Creamy Goo from SouthPark Studios.
Butters Creamy Goo is chock full of all the essentials an athlete needs. Commitment, compassion, and camaraderie. And now it's available in quart size.
And it's very salty.
Oh, is it? I haven't even tried it yet. So anyway, we're gonna try Butters Creamy Goo on a bunch of our favorite foods and see how it tastes.
Oh my God, I'm so hungry right now.
So how would you describe Butters Creamy Goo?
A lovely, smooth beverage that's very, very good for you.
Oh, nice. I didn't even know about the health benefits of it. Maybe I might have to make this a permanent part of my diet. So let's get this started. What should we try it on first?
In Lucky Charms.
So we got some charms here. Let's try some Butters Creamy Goo on it. It's very salty. It's not sweetened.
No, it's not sweetened.
This tastes like someone took Cheerios and a bag of marshmallows to Fire Island.
It's wonderful.
It's very thick and it's got this texture to it.
That's the superfood part of it. That's what you want. Wish me luck.
So what's next?
Next up, we have meatless meat.
Oh yeah, we do have some amazing burgers or incredible burgers. Or what are these called? Are these vegetarian or vegan?
Vegan.
But Butters Creamy Goo is not vegan, right? Yeah, I don't think it is. Where does this Creamy Goo stuff come from again?
Lovesack.
Lovesack? So what do you think? If we just put this on instead of mayo with like some sriracha or something?
Maybe a spicy kind of mayo vibe going on there.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I don't think I made these the same size actually.
Mine's bigger.
This tastes like Guy Fieri's Love Life. This tastes like Guy Fieri in a locker room with 12 of his best buddies.
So it is,
This tastes like what I imagine Brokeback Mountain would taste like if it was a hamburger.
saving you for the weekend.
So what else do you think we could try this in?
In cakes.
I don't have cake, but I do have Oreos.
Oh, well, all right.
You sound like you don't really like Oreos.
It's actually a very pleasurable snack for my mouth. I don't recommend that, kids.
Yeah, me neither. These taste like a Keebler Elf gangbang.
This is a family publication.
I'm scared to say this, but I think we can try this in tacos.
Does that complete your order?
Right off the bat, these can go themselves.
Oh, I forgot that you only eat hipster tacos and you think Taco Bell is garbage.
I think most people would agree with me.
Taco Bell is still good, aside from the meat being basically The problem is really just the meat, though.
The problem is everywhere.
You know, this actually just tastes like normal Taco Bell.
This was literally
Do you think we could use this in like a boba tea kind of thing? Yes, no, maybe.
You can use as a heavy cream replacement.
Okay, let's try this. You know, this kind of reminds me of that trip that I took to Thailand where the Thai girls were just kept giving me drinks that tasted like this. I was really surprised that those Thai girls had deeper voices than mine.
My weekends are a lot more interesting than my weekdays.
What should we do next?
Next and last,
Oh yeah, we should probably wrap it up because it's getting late and we're probably both gonna throw up very soon.
either Japanese or Vietnamese or some kind of noodly, soupy.
I have just the thing. This is gonna work so well together.
It's just a lovely melange of flavors and textures.
Okay, I'm gonna get a nice squirt in there.
That was satisfying.
Here you go, buddy.
I'm gonna be a little bit more conservative. There we go, there we go.
This tastes like if I was eating Dragon Ball Z, but instead of Dragon Balls, it was Goku's balls.
And it's very salty.
This is like if the entire pirate crew on the cast of One Piece just over into the soup.
I really don't know what the you meant by that.
Well, as delightful as this was, all good things must come to an end. Do you think that we won the audience over?
It hasn't worked so far.
So you think they'll subscribe and check out the next video we do?
I can't answer that for you, bro.